Hello bachcho, let's read this question. Question says, ants carry dead ants out of the anthill and dump them on a trash pile. If a live ant is painted with a chemical from dead ants, other ants repeatedly carry it, kicking and struggling to the trash pile until the substance wears off. Which of the following best explains this behavior? Option A says the chemical triggers a fixed action pattern. The ants have become imprinted on the chemical. Option C says the ants continue this behavior until they become habituated. Option D says the ants can learn only by trial and error, right? तो यहाँ पे हमारा जो की कॉन्सेप्ट होगा, की कॉन्सेप्ट क्या हो जाएगा? की कॉन्सेप्ट इज ants behavior. ants behavior. तो यहाँ पे क्या होते? आफ्टर 2 days of ants death, after 2 days of ants death, they release a substance, called oleic acid, right? And this oleic acid has a smell, right? It has a smell, and which gives information to other ants that some ant have died, right? And ants always wants to keep their surrounding clean, to protect rest of the members of the species, right? Or after kicking and struggling, they are doing this, right? So it's become their fixed action pattern. Kicking and struggling के बाद भी वो ये पैटर्न कर रहे हैं, right? So after kicking and struggling, they are doing this process. That means it is a fixed action pattern, right? और fixed action pattern क्या होते? कि same pattern of doing something, when they get same stimulus. तो यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है कि सेम ही स्टिमुलस जो केमिकल है वो ट्रिगर कर रहे हैं और वो सेम ही पैटर्न हो रहा है, सेम ही पैटर्न रिपीट हो रहा है. और यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है कि ऑल ants are doing this, that is small ants and also large or older ants, right? और ये क्या होते हैं कि fixed action pattern is a innate or genetic behavior. तो वो हमेशा सेम ही होते आ रहे हैं, राइट? So first option will be our correct option. That is the chemical triggers a fixed action pattern. Now option B says the ants have become imprinted on the chemical, right? तो यहाँ पे क्या now in imprinted में it is for limited time period. और यहाँ पे जो एक्शन हो रहा है वो लिमिटेड टाइम पीरियड के लिए नहीं है. Here the action is not for limited time period. Here the ants show this behavior all through their life. When another ant, any another ant died, right? जब भी कोई एंट डाई हो जाते तो वे एंट्स जो बाकी जो एंट्स होते वो सेम ही दिस बिहेवियर को फॉलो करते हैं. इट इज फॉर नॉट अ लिमिटेड टाइम पीरियड, पूरा लाइफ टाइम ही वो सेम ही बिहेवियर शो करते हैं. सो बी इज आवर रॉन्ग ऑप्शन. Now C says the ants continue the behavior until they become habituated, right? Habituation में क्या होते हैं? Habituation में क्या होते हैं कि they do not response after repeated exposure to same stimulus, right? तो यहाँ पे क्या होता है कि सेम ही स्टिमुलस से जब बार बार वो एक्सपोजर करते तो वो रिस्पॉन्स नहीं करते, लेकिन एंट्स का जो ये बिहेवियर है पूरा लाइफ टाइम ही दिस बिहेवियर दे शो. तो यहाँ पे सी ऑप्शन विल आल्सो बी इनकरेक्ट. सो सी इज आल्सो रॉन्ग. नाउ डी सेज द एंट्स कैन लर्न ओनली बाय ट्रायल एंड एरर. नाउ एंट्स do not learn only by trial and error. कुछ जो बिहेवियर है उनका they are innate, that is they are general. Some behavior are genetic and that is general or same for everyone. General for all ants, right? So D is also incorrect option. So correct option is option A. That is the chemical triggers a fixed action pattern, right? So that's it for the question. I hope you understood it well. Best of luck.